everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me today. If this is your first time visiting, please be certain to hit the subscribe button. If you hit the bell, you'll be notified every single time I upload a video, and I would sure like to see you again. Today I am doing one of my favorite boxes. Today is Trendsend. My Trendsend came yesterday evening and I wanted to wait till this morning when I had a little bit better light to unbox this for you. So Trendsend gives you 5 days to try on all of the apparel in your own home and make your decisions and send them back. You know what, this is not a subscription. There is no styling fee, but a stylist puts together 3 outfits for you, and that can include apparel and jewelry, accessories, but they're all put together so you don't have to guess how to put the pieces together, and you can purchase the entire outfit or just pieces from the outfit. So I appreciate that about Trendsend. We'll link my other Trendsend videos. They may give you more information than I've just given you, but please check those out and let's get right into this box. So first off, we see there is some color in here, and Trendsend sends all the information, and I saved the prices for last. I put the prices on the screen during the try-on so you don't have to wait to the very end to see them, but there's an advertisement in here for tee-ups. It says the 4 under $50 tees you need for spring, and then it shows 4 different types of t-shirts, and I wear a lot of t-shirts because I wear them under my work uniform, but I'll tell you what, I buy a fresh supply of t-shirts at Target or Macy's every single year. So I don't know about the prices. Under $50, that's a little bit concerning, but so let's see if this is full of tees. Our first outfit, embrace your beauty and power. They always put the real cute stickers on them. It looks like we've got a denim jacket in here, which I had been searching for, but I found one. So first thing we have is a tee, and this is a great color. We've got a high-low, we've got the pocket. This is a not a burnout tee, but it looks it's very soft and it looks kind of worn, or you know, that look of feeling worn. And oh, we have articles of society, a denim jacket, and this looks fabulous. And I'm afraid to even try it on because I just purchased a denim jacket, and I don't even want to compare the two because I hope that the one I bought is better. And we have level 99. They sent these last time and they were way too tight, so this is a size medium. They're gray. Oh, I do see the price on that, $125. These better be fabulous. I normally don't like these front pockets like that because I don't like any extra attention called to my tummy area. We have kind of the cargo look pockets on the back. So I'm gonna keep an open mind and try these on. But I like the look of this entire outfit. Shipping's free both ways with Trendsend. Next bundle, it says you've got great style, and it looks like a sweater in here. Maybe it's, okay, we've got a navy t-shirt, and I have to tell you, of all the t-shirts I currently own, I think navy is the one that I wear the most. This is $48. This is by ALLISON Joy. Oh, we have the little tie detail on the front, so that's what makes it $48 special. Trendsend is through the Evereve company, and so you can go directly to their stores or to their website to purchase any of these items or any of their line, their collection. You can purchase there. This is a nice kind of oatmeal colored lightweight cardigan. This is also by ALLISON Joy. This is $68. So this is a pretty basic piece. It's got the side slits, and again, this is so basic. I already have this color cardigan, but I'll try it. This is looking like a lot of what I already have, so I'm a little bit sad about that. We have a pair of denims, articles of society. So I've heard so many good things about these jeans. I have never tried them. My trunk club which is coming sometime, hopefully this week, is sending the white ones. So this is a really skinny jean we have that frayed bottom, but no distressing anywhere else. So I'm happy about that. I'm kind of over the whole distressed jean thing. And our last little bundle here, it says, Mama, you're doing fine. So let's see what's in here. Another tee. No, this is a tank. This is a kind of an ivory colored tank by Allison Joy. This one's got the price tag on it. I can see it, $38. And let's see. You know, it's my concern with the white tees and the cream colored tees, I wish I could find one that was not see-through. And what do we have here? This, oh gosh, you know, got those big flowers, but this is all embroidered, if you can see that. So I sure like this detail, and I kind of like this. Let's see, $78. So I guess this is an outfit, a top and a kimono that I can pair with the Articles of Society jeans. Let's try it all on for you. Let me start by showing you the entire outfit that my stylist put together for me. These are the level 99 pants, the utility pants, these, can't remember, Bowery tee, and the Articles of Society denim jacket. So I'll start with the denim jacket. I like it a whole lot. It feels a whole lot like the one that I just bought. There's no distressing on it. It does look a little worn, which is kind of nice, but it feels very structured. It has the adjustments. It's plenty big in the chest. That's normally where I have difficulty with fit. So it would work. I just purchased one, so I don't need it. Moving on to the tank. This tank feels great. We have kind of where it goes up right there. It's very soft. The pocket, it's kind of, it's not a burnout fabric. You cannot see through it, so I like that about it with the V-neck. You see V-neck. And the coral color, I don't hate. I like having a little color. Now, these pants, I have to talk about these pants. They feel really good on. Just for a very relaxed fit, I have to look at what they're made of to see if they're going to shrink, because they fit perfect right now in my thighs. That's kind of my trouble area. As I'm wearing them, the crotch is falling just a little bit, but boy, are they comfortable, which I am so very surprised by it. I can really see myself sporting these pants just for a comfortable day. So you have to let me know what you think about this. I'm pleasantly surprised. Outfit number 2. This is Allison Joy tee, Allison Joy cardi, and the Articles of Society pants. My puppies want to get a good look at this outfit, so I really, really like this. You know, I told you I have a cardigan in this color, and I'm actually thinking that this looks a little bit whiter. It is oatmeal. It's a kind of a cream colored. It's very lightweight. You can see it's kind of got a yoke there. It's plenty long. My daughter kind of likes it too, and these side slits on it, but I like it because of the length. The one that I have is a little bit shorter and is heavier, so I could see this as a great piece going into the springtime and even into summer. I need sweaters and air conditioning in the summertime. Can you see this knot detail? I know that's kind of, it's a darker color, so it's harder to see on the camera, but I think it's a great fit. It's probably not something I could wear under my uniform because of this extra fabric here, but again, like I told you, my favorite tee right now is a navy tee, so I'm liking this much better than I thought I would. And the Articles of Society jeans, with that frayed hem. They're kind of an ankle length. Can you see that? These feel amazing. They're really high-waisted, so they offer a lot of tummy control there. Can you see that? Yeah. Depending on the price of these, I think that the jeans are keepers. These feel so amazingly soft like butter as well. Okay, this is the last outfit. This is that cardigan or the kimono style top by, the brand is called BRAEVE. It's not spelled Brave, it's B-R-A-E-V-E. And so I really like this. I love that it's colorful. So I put on the black shoes because I think the black shoes look better than the silver chucks. But what do you think about this? I'm having to do all my modeling around my dog. So it's got the 3/4 length sleeves. One thing about it, it is not finished on the inside, so I'm not crazy about that. Hopefully the price reflects that because I am kind of enjoying this. No pockets on it, just a lightweight piece that I think kind of dresses things up. Although I have a pair of pink loafers in my closet. I'm going to try this on with the pink loafers. 1 second. That should be one. And here's the BRAEVE top with the pink loafers. So I kind of think it works well. It brings out the pink in the cardigan. So let me know what you think about this cardigan. The last item is this cream colored tank by ALLISON Joy. A little bit, maybe not, I was going to say a little bit lower in the back than the front. Let me show you the back. And it's got a rounded V, and it's still kind of see-through. You can see my underwear through it. So it feels really nice. Just a basic piece. Let's look at the price of it. Now I'm going to look at the prices. I know I've shown them to you, but this is my first impression of the prices. Oh, I forgot. So the stylist writes you, again, my stylist name is Kelly, so I think that's awesome. She's been styling me since the beginning. She'll give you ideas about how to style the piece. Prices. Let's see. The first thing we have is the ALLISON Joy Navy Solid neck tuck tee is $38.40 with an asterisk. Oh, it says pricing reflects a 20% referral discount. Thank you for sharing Trendsend with your friends. Oh, you guys. One of my friends, or a fellow YouTuber, I consider her a friend because I watch all of her videos. Her channel is called DREAMERHOUSEWIFE, and she watched one of my Trendsend videos and ordered one for herself, and as a result, Trendsend extends me a 20% discount. So thank you so much, DREAMERHOUSEWIFE, and anyone that wants to see more unboxings, or if you want to see some great meals prepared, check out DREAMERHOUSEWIFE, and thank you so much. So let me look at this, because they put the price tags on the items. This blouse is $48, and I can get it for $38.40 because of the discount. So, wow, you know what, that makes everything, I'm so excited because as I see the price tags on their clothing, I get a little bit concerned, especially about this one. The next thing we have is the Charlotte Open Cardi by ALLISON Joy in oatmeal, and the price on this is $68, and my price is $54.40. I don't know. I like this cardigan. I know I would get some use out of it, so this is one that I'm going to sleep on. Next one we have the Kendall Modal Scoop Tank in white by ALLISON Joy. Oh, I don't even remember what the price tag is. Let's look. $38. That was a lot of work. $38 for that, and my price is $30.40. The denim jacket by Articles of Society which I am not keeping. It's a great jacket. It is so much like the one I bought. It is regularly $84 and my price would be $67.20, which is super price. The Articles of Society jeans that I am wearing right now, never looked at the price tag on them. Where are we? $64 and my price, Articles of Society, my price is only $51.20. These jeans are mine. Thank you, Dreamer Housewife. These jeans are mine. This BRAEVE kimono style top is regularly $78 with the 20% discount, $62.40. The concrete jungle level 99 pants, where did I tell you? $124. Where's the tag? Oh gosh. Tag $125. My price on them $100 even. That's still steep, but boy are these comfortable on. So I have to think about that. The last thing, the PEYTON JENSEN. Oh wow. This tee, the pocket tee, the PEYTON JENSEN, I didn't notice the price tag. It's regularly $34. It was marked down to $24, marked down to $9.99, and my price is only $7.99. So that's really comparable with Target. So I have so much to think about. Thank goodness I have 5 days, because I get so excited about the items that they send. And it really helps me when I edit this video to take a look at how the clothes look from a different perspective, and to help me decide what I want to keep. I really need to think about if I'll actually get use out of the clothes. And this is the one that I like so much. I love unusual pieces, but how much wear will I get out of this? So I am curious to hear your thoughts about this box. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think, what you would buy if you were me. And if you want to try Trendsend for yourself, please use my referral link. I would love to get another 20% off. Share Trendsend with your friends because it is so cool. 0 styling fee, 3 outfits sent to your door, free shipping. There's so much about it to love. Thank you all for joining me. I just love sharing these boxes with you. I hope that you will join me again. I have another video coming out for you in a couple days. I look forward to seeing you. God bless you.